How to fix Ome TV app camera not working on Android. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Ome app camera not working on your Android phone. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on Applications or App Management depending on your phone model. Then go to App Manager, find and tap on Ome TV from the list of installed apps. Now tap on Permissions. Tap on the camera icon. Make sure the camera permission is turned on and allow it. Also check and allow microphone permission to ensure full functionality. Now return to the home screen and long press the Ome TV app icon, tap on App Info. Then tap Storage and Cache. Tap on Clear Cache. To remove any temporary glitches, go back and tap on Data Usage. Make sure background data and unrestricted data usage are enabled. Next, restart your phone to refresh the system once it turns back on. Open the Ome TV app and check if the camera is working properly. And that's it. Your camera should now be working fine with Ome on Android. That's all for the video.